We're here on the swagbucks website, and this is probably the most popular online survey website, and in my opinion it's also the easiest to navigate. And the way this site works is that you earn points for doing various things. It's not just online surveys. So you earn points, and when you earn these points you can redeem them for cash in your PayPal account or into gift cards. I believe 100 points is equal to about $1. So aside from just doing surveys, you could also play video games, you could watch videos. Actually, one trick that people do is that they'll open multiple tabs so that they could watch multiple videos at the same time. You can also earn points by online shopping. You just click on websites that they promote, and basically they're going to be earning affiliate income with your shopping, but at the same time you'll be getting cash back or points from swagbucks for doing that. You can also use swagbucks as your default search engine, and you'll earn points whenever you do searches. And what I think is the most lucrative way to make money with swagbucks is through referrals. You refer people to swagbucks and you earn 10% of the referrals earnings for a lifetime. So earning points on this site is very easy to do. In fact, you could also earn points just for filling out a profile. So I really do think this is one of the best online survey websites out there. I highly recommend you try it out. I know of people who are having success with it, people who are able to buy gifts and do all their Christmas shopping because of the gift cards they get from here.